Hi, welcome to all. Now in this video we will discussing about the integration. Now from integration maximum we will guess 3 marks. Okay, let us go with our problem. The problem is integration sin power 5x cos power 100x dx. Here also integration 1 by sin x under root sin x cos x. Okay, definitely we need to know the formulas for differentiation or integration. Okay, and also some methods. Here I can applying the substitute method because of we have sin x and also cos x. That means we have one function there differentiation also in there. Okay, in that time we can substitute one function equals to saying any variable. Okay, so that's why I can take here cos x equals to t, then we have minus sin x dx equals to dt. Okay, now the function becomes as a, now here integration sin power 5x cos power 100 equals to what? Let observe, if cos x equals to t, then cos square equals to t square. Yes or no? And also 1 minus sin square x equals to t square. Then sin square x equals to 1 minus t square. Yes sir? Simply. Or sin square equals to 1 minus cos square. Sin square x equals to 1 minus t square. Let's substitute here. Sin power 4x equals to what? Sin power 4x cos power 100x into sin x. Okay. Now the function can be written as like this. Then sin power 4x in t's. Okay. That is a 1 minus t whole square, t square whole square. Cos power 100x. Cos power 100x means cos square x whole power 50. Cos square x whole power 50. So cos square whole power 50 means, or also cos x equals t, no. So just you can write t power 100. Okay. Now leave that, sin x dx equals to dt. Okay. So minus dt. Then here simplification is minus 1 into t power, 1 minus t square whole square equals to 1 plus t power 4 minus 2 t square into t power 100. Okay, dt. Then it is a minus integration 1 into t power 100 means t power 100 plus t power 105 minus t power 102 dt. Yes or no? After multiplication of this. Okay. Now the integration. We know t means nothing but cos x definitely. Okay. So it one becomes as a, it is a minus t power 101 by 101. Yes or no? Okay. Now it is a minus t power 102. Check it. T power 102. 106 by 106 minus 2 into t power 103 by 103. Let observe plus c. Okay. Then t means nothing but in the place of t equals cos x. Let write all are negative. Yes or no? Not minus into plus, here minus, it is a plus. Okay. The first one t power 101 power 101 should be minus. Where is that? Here. Okay. And also power 106. Is it 106? Check it. Because of we have 105, 103, 101. 101, 103. Okay. Then what about this? 104. Sorry, 104. It is a 104. 104 means 105, 105. Okay. Now for 105 we have minus. For 101 we have minus. It is a plus. So our option is second option. Okay. Follow the method. If the function is like this, f of x and also f dash x is there, simply you can say f of x equals to t. Okay. Now here also I can apply the strategy. Shall I convert like this? suppose sin x common from in this. Okay, shall I write like this? Here square, shall I multiply with the sin x by sin x, then for two sines we have one sin getting out, so it one becomes as sin square x under root cos by sin is a cot x. Okay, now it is nothing but cosecant square x by under root cos x. Okay, simply here cot x equals if t, then cosecant square, their differentiation is a cosecant, so that's why cot x equals to t. It is like a, observe, it is like a f dash x by f of x under root, then that equals to x equals to 2 the root f of x plus c. And also we have one formula, f dash x by f of x dx equals to log of modulus of f of x. Okay, but here we can apply this one. Okay, it is also nothing but substitution method, because of suppose f of x equals to t, say, then we will get this one. Okay, so but here we have plus, but we need minus, so shall I take like this? Okay, now apply the formula, minus 2 under root f of x is nothing but cot x, simply. Okay, minus 2 under root cot x plus c. Okay, which option? Third option is a correct option. Okay, okay, let us go with more problems. Integration e power x, x power 4 plus x square plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1 dx. Okay, suppose the function having f of e power x, then you can apply the strategy like this, integration e power x to f of x plus f dash of x equals to e power x f of x plus c. Okay, let we have to split it, yes sir. Then here x square plus x plus 1 is a divider, x square plus x square plus 1, we have here x square into x square x power 4, x square into x plus x cube, x square into 1 plus x square. Okay, now minus minus minus, these are cancelled. Here we have x cube, x square minus x square get cancelled, plus 1, yes sir. Okay, now x square into minus x, it is a minus x cube minus x into x minus x square, yes, minus x into plus 1 minus x, yes, these are cancelled. We have x square plus x plus 1. Okay, that means this is a now x square plus x plus 1, x square minus x, and also x square plus x plus 1, we have here x square plus x plus 1, and also plus 1s are x square plus x plus 1. Okay, now it is nothing but e power x, x square minus x plus 1, f of x is nothing but this one. But how can we split it as a f of x plus f dash of x? Simply we can following the options. Suppose the options, it is a f of x, suppose it is a f of x, then f dash x should be 3x cube, yes or no? There is no one, yes or no? And also following next one, x square minus 3x plus 4 differentiation is a e power x, x square minus 3x plus 4 as it is, and the differentiation is a 2x minus 3. Let's check it, x square plus 2x, sorry, minus x, x square minus x plus 1. Okay, it is correct. And also checking this one. Now here it is a e power x, x square plus x plus 1, their differentiation is a 2x plus 1. Okay, not a correct. Okay, now option is second one. Okay, second one is the option. Now this one, integration x plus sin x by 1 plus cos x dx. Okay, suppose these functions, like these functions, when we have one term as a x, you can taking like this, integration x by 1 plus cos x plus sin x by 1 plus cos x. Okay, then here shall I write 1 plus cos x equals to 2 cos square x by 2, here also 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 by 2 cos square x by 2. Cos x get cancelled, 2 get cancelled. Here the function should be x 1 by 2 x secant square x by 2 plus sin x by 2 by cos x by 2 is a tan x by 2. Okay, integration 1 by 2 x secant square x. It is like a method, integration f of x plus x f dash of x dx equals to x into f of x plus c. Okay, it is not a big formula, just observe it. Suppose taking the derivative x f of x, then x is a x, f of f dash x, uv method, by uv method. So x is a 1, f of x is as it is. Okay, like that. Now here x equals to nothing but what? X is a x, now f dash is, now this one is a f of x. Okay, let then x into f of x, tan x by 2 plus. Okay, which option? First one. Close. Here integration e power minus x sin x dx. Okay, this type of problems can be done by okay, let us go with our problem e power minus x sin x dx. Suppose the function e power x function with sin or cos, then we have one formula like this, integration e power ax sin of bx plus c dx equals to e power ax by a square plus b square into a sin of bx plus c minus b sin of b cos of bx plus, okay, plus. Okay, now this is a formula. Now we can apply in the place of a equals to minus 1, in the place of a equals to what? Minus 1, e power minus x by minus 1 square. Yes or no? Minus 1 square means 1 plus b square may also be a 1. X quotient is a b square. Here x quotient a in a power x. A sin x sin bx plus c. A minus sin x minus b. B means x quotient 1. B 1 into cos x. Okay. So minus e power minus x by 2 sin x plus cos x plus. Okay, which option? Second option is the right option. Okay, let us go with next one. Integration x minus 1 under root x plus 1 dx here. Okay, let simply say x plus 1 equals to t square. Then x equals to t square minus 1. Okay, now the function becomes as a t square minus 2, here minus 1 2, and it is a t. Then here x plus 1 equals to t square. If x plus 1 equal to t square, 2t dx equals to 2t dt. Yes or no? 2t dt. Okay, integration 2 into, it is nothing but t power 4 minus 2t. Okay, let dt. Now 2 into, it is t power 5 by 5 minus 2 t cube by 3. Okay, now which one common? T power 3 common. Okay, then it is a t square by 5 minus 2 by 3. Yes, 2t cube, 15 is the LCM, 3t is minus 10. Okay, now what about t? What about t? T is nothing but under root x plus 1. So it is the root x plus 1 whole cube. Yes, now here 3 into t square is nothing but x plus 1 minus 10 by 15. 2 by 15, it is a 3x minus 7 into x plus 1 whole power 3 by 2 here. Yes or no? Okay, now that is the first option. Okay, let us go with more. Integration 1 to 2 log x dx equals to. Okay, these are the from the topic of. Okay, let us go with more problems from different integral. Integration 1 to 2 log x dx equals to, actually we have formula there, x log x minus x for integration log x. Yes, now apply the limits. Now here 2 log 2 minus 2 minus of log 1 into log 1 minus 1. Yes, 2 log 2 minus 2, it is a 0 plus 1. Okay, so 2 log 2 minus 1. Which option? First option is. Next, with the 8th one. Integration 0 to 1 dx by e power x minus e power x dx. First of all, we can write like this. Integration 0 to 1 dx by, now e power x minus 1 by e power x. Then that equals to integration 0 to 1 e power x by 1 plus e power x whole square dx. Okay. Now let e power x equals to say t. Okay, then e power x dx equals to dt. E power x dx equals to dt. Then it is a 1 by 1 plus t square dx equals to dt. Yes or no? Okay, now leave that. E power x equals what? E power x dx equals to dt. E power x equals to, okay, over. Now what about limits? If x equals to 0, if x equals 0, t is the 1. If x equals to 1, that is the e. Yes or no? Now apply the limits. Tan inverse t 1 to e. Then it is a tan inverse e minus tan inverse 1. Okay. Tan inverse e minus tan inverse 1 is a pi by 4. Okay. Third option. Now 9th one. Now integration 0 to pi by 4. Now right here integration tan x. Already we have tan and in under root. So under root function is always t. Then we need as a tan. We need as a tan differentiation secant square. Okay. How to get secant square? Like this. Write secant sin x and cos x here. Now how to get secant? 1 by cos equals to secant. Yes or no? Shall I write like this? Sin x by cos x, it is nothing but cos square x dx. Now after that, it is a root tan x by, it is a tan x, then it is a secant square x. Okay. Now put tan x equals to t, then secant square x dx equals to dt. Yes or no? Okay. Then now the limits are, if x equals to 0, that is a 0. If x equals pi by 4, that is a 1. Okay. Root t by t secant square dx equals to dt. Then it is a root 0 to 1 by root t dt. Then that equals to 2 root t. Apply the limits 0 to 1. Then 2 into root t means root to 1 minus root 0. So 2 into 1 is a 2. Our option is first. Okay. Let us go next problem. 0 to pi by 2. Integration 0 to pi by 2 under root cot x under root tan x plus under root cot x dx equals to what? These type of functions means co-ratios like this: tan, cotan, cot, sine, cosine, Okay, like these functions I can apply the strategy integration 0 to a f of x dx equals to integration 0 to a f of a minus x dx, like this strategy. Okay, apply here. This one equals to I equals to integration 0 to, after applying 0 to pi by 2, then we'll get what? Direct, it is a cot x, cot pi by 2 minus, it means tan x, by in the place of cot equals to tan, in the place of tan equals to cot. Okay, after applying this strategy, then I plus I equals to 2I equals to what? 0 to pi by 2 cot x plus under root tan x by tan x plus under root cot x dx. Okay, these are the cancel 1, then that equals to x 0 to pi by 2, pi by 2 minus 0, 2I equals to pi by 2, then I equals to pi by 4. Okay, you should remember this type of functions like this co-ratios, always answer should be fourth one. Okay, let us go with the next one, 11th one. Next, minus 1 to 1 dx, integration minus 1 to 1 dx tan inverse 1 by x dx equals to, clearly here minus 1 to 1, it is nothing but what? Minus 1 by 1 plus x square after getting differentiation, x equals to minus 1 by 1 plus x square is nothing but what? Tan inverse x. We know, applying the limits, minus tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse minus 1. Okay, then tan inverse 1 equals to what? Pi by 4 minus this one equals to minus pi by 4. So minus pi by 2. Okay, second one is the, our option is the here fourth one. Okay, now this type of problems can be done by maximum formulas and also methods. If you like this video, please share with your friends. Okay, and also comment on comment box. Thank you so much.